Welcome to my channel. Betelgeuse, the red star on the shoulder of the warrior of Orion, exhibited a strange behavior that attracted the attention of astronomers and space enthusiasts. This phenomenon created great anticipation for a once-in-a-lifetime spectacle that could change our understanding of stellar evolution. Some astronomers and hobbyists argue that the increase in brightness may indicate that the star is approaching its supernova phase, a rare and remarkable event. However, the exact time of the incident is still uncertain, which adds to the mystery and excitement surrounding Betelgeuse. Experts speculate that this may happen in the near future, but accurate predictions cannot be made due to the complexity of stellar processes. Join us as we explore the current state of this fascinating star and its past, present, and possible future. If you are interested in the news about the universe and its environment, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video and turn on the notification bell to stay abreast of the latest events and discoveries. While you may not be familiar with Betelgeuse, chances are you've seen this magnificent star in the night sky. Betelgeuse appears as a bright red star in the constellation Orion, easily recognized by stargazers. Currently, Betelgeuse is a very massive star, one of the largest known stars in our galaxy. If we put Betelgeuse in the core of our solar system, it would reach beyond the orbit of Mars and swallow the inner planets. This giant and easy-to-see star continues to fascinate astronomers with its dynamic behavior and enormous size. The Betelgeuse changes before our eyes because it is relatively close to our galaxy, enabling us to observe its changes in real time. It is classified as a semi-regular variable star, meaning that its brightness fluctuates, sometimes dramatically, as it moves towards its imminent final collapse, culminating in a supernova explosion, an event of enormous scientific interest that in recent years, Betelgeuse has gained even more interest due to its unexpected fluctuations in brightness, which have continued to baffle scientists. These changes caused many studies and debates in the astronomical community. Although its behavior has been strange and falls into unknown territory, its recent changes are due to a phenomenon known as the Great Dimension, which occurred between 2019 and 2020. During this time, Betelgeuse's brilliance has significantly diminished, causing widespread speculation and concern among astronomers. The event caused the red supergiant star closest to Earth to shine twice as brightly as usual, lighting up the early evening sky in the southern hemisphere. The strange behavior of one of the brightest stars in the sky offers scientists unprecedented insight as Betelgeuse rapidly changes from dim to bright. This transformation provides a unique opportunity to study stellar evolution in real time and provides insights not previously available. Recently, the brightness of Betelgeuse has increased by 50% several times, adding to the plot. However, an even more significant event occurred on May 20, 2023. BetelBots, a Twitter account dedicated to tracking Betelgeuse, reported an impressive 142% increase in brightness. According to the American Variable Star Observatory, this remarkable change has attracted the attention of both amateur and professional astronomers worldwide. Astrophysicist Andrea Dupree of the Harvard-Smithsonian Center for Astrophysics noted that Betelgeuse is now the seventh brightest star in the night sky, moving up 3 positions from its usual 10th place. This significant increase in brightness makes Betelgeuse even more visible and easier to see in the southern hemisphere. Betelgeuse is easy to get started, it glows in the dark. Just look for it on the shoulder of the Orion constellation. Even in the northern hemisphere, Betelgeuse can be spotted as the days grow shorter, making it a standout in the night sky. A technology scientist from Australia's Swinburne University of Technology highlights one of the most exciting aspects of Betelgeuse. It allows us to witness the final stages of a giant star's life in unprecedented detail. This level of observation was not possible for other stars, making Betelgeuse a unique case in star development. By studying Betelgeuse's behavior, scientists gain important information about what happens to red giants before they explode as supernovae. This understanding can help refine our stellar life cycle models and improve our predictions about the future of other stars. It is speculated that Betelgeuse can become incredibly bright even during the day and can even cast shadows at night due to its intense light. This phenomenon has attracted the attention of both amateur and professional astronomers because it is a rare opportunity to observe such dramatic changes in the stars. At one point, Betelgeuse does explode and end his life in a spectacular supernova. Being 650 light-years away from the star, we have the opportunity to see this amazing cosmic explosion at its best, providing invaluable information for scientific research. Heidi Morris, a scientist at Los Alamos National Laboratory and president of the Astronomy Club, points out that people have been really fascinated by Betelgeuse and have long closely observed its changes in brightness. This continued interest is fueled by the unpredictable behavior of the star and the possibility of a spectacular supernova event. Astronomers have long known that Betelgeuse experiences periods of intense brightness followed by dimming, a cyclical pattern recorded for centuries. This cyclical pattern was even noticed by ancient Australian Aboriginal and Greek cultures thousands of years ago, demonstrating the long-term influence of the star on people's perception of the night sky. Normally, Betelgeuse's light cycle lasts about 400 days, but now its luminosity changes much faster,
Delta rocket
about every
carrying
130 days.
A gamma-ray telescope
This rapid change in the luminosity cycle is unusual and prompted further investigation. This unusual behavior began in 2019 when Betelgeuse ejected part of the outer atmosphere with significant force, an event that may have triggered these accelerated changes. These changes in brightness are not characteristic of Betelgeuse, but does this mean the star is going supernova? This question remains at the forefront of current astronomical research, according to a paper by Dupree and other researchers at Harvard and the University of California, Berkeley. It takes about 5 to 10 years for Betelgeuse to resume its normal glow cycle. The writers claim that Betelgeuse hasn't been the same since the Great Extinction. Since then, it has shown different behavior in terms of brightness and radial velocity, indicating that the star is undergoing significant internal changes. Despite these changes, Betelgeuse still has a long way to go to become a supernova. As a red giant star, it undergoes several fusion processes involving various elements such as helium, carbon, oxygen, silicon, and iron. Each of these merger phases represents a different stage of a star's life cycle. When a star becomes a red giant, the intense pressure in its core allows helium to fuse into carbon. The star then continues to fuse carbon and helium to form oxygen, and the cycle repeats, producing heavier elements such as iron and silicon. The progress of these fusion reactions eventually causes Betelgeuse to collapse under its own weight due to gravity, eventually resulting in the formation of a black hole or neutron star. Based on an analysis of the chemicals in Betelgeuse's atmosphere, it appears that the star is currently in the early stages of this fusion process, specifically, the fusion of helium into carbon in its core. This phase is a critical part of a star's life cycle and marks its evolution towards the final supernova event. Betelgeuse is a huge red supergiant who has lived a fast and intense life characterized by rapid and dramatic changes. It is currently in the final stages of its accelerated development, which offers a unique opportunity for scientific observation. Eventually, when the fuel runs out, the core collapses under its massive mass, resulting in an explosion that can cover entire galaxies. This supernova is bound to happen, but like everything else, we can only guess when it will happen. There is a lot of speculation about when Betelgeuse will finally explode as a supernova, but experts are cautious in their predictions. Peter Grower, professor of astronomy at the University of Portsmouth, who specializes in supernova research, has written a book on the subject. He points out that we currently have no way of predicting when stars will explode, so we have no exact idea when Betelgeuse will go supernova. This uncertainty is due to the complex and variable nature of stellar processes. It is understandable that this uncertainty exists because we have not seen many supernovae in human history. The rarity of these events limits our ability to develop accurate forecasting models. Despite the best wishes of astronomers, due to this uncertainty, we still do not know if anyone in our lifetime will have the opportunity to witness the spectacular explosion of Betelgeuse. However, ongoing studies of Betelgeuse continue to provide valuable information about star behavior and the star life cycle. Hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video to reach more people and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next video.